you're seeing is an ice storm that came the evening of December 11th, and this is December 12th. And it kind of looks like a winter wonderland out here. Fortunately, the weather's warm enough and this ice is melting off the trees. Damage in the backyard has been pretty rough. Lots of trees have been shredded near the top. Fortunately, no damage to the home. But lots of damage to the woods. Branches down everywhere. You can see many trees are over. Many branches are down. And the ice is just pounding and pouring off the trees. You can hear the chainsaws in the background. Looking up the road, you can see the ice all over the wires, all over the trees. Fortunately, the sky is clearing.